Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is essential for managing your cryptocurrency. It doesn't actually hold your Bitcoin, but rather the private keys that prove your ownership on the blockchain. Think of it like a digital key to your funds. We'll explore different types and how to set them up securely. Understanding this is your first step into the world of digital currency. When choosing a wallet, you'll primarily encounter two types: software and hardware. Software wallets, often called hot wallets, are applications on your phone or computer, great for quick access in smaller amounts. Hardware wallets, or cold wallets, are physical devices offering top-tier security, ideal for significant investments. Your choice depends on how much Bitcoin you hold and how often you need to access it.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
To set up a software wallet, first download a trusted app like Exodus or Trust Wallet from its official website or app store. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to create your new wallet. The most crucial step is to securely write down your recovery phrase, usually 12 or 24 words. This phrase is your only way to restore your funds if you lose access to your device, so guard it carefully. For maximum security, a hardware wallet is your best bet. Buy directly from the manufacturer, like Ledger or Trezor, to avoid counterfeits. Once you receive it, connect the device to your computer and follow the guided setup process. Just like with software wallets, you'll generate a recovery phrase. Write this down on paper, store it in a secure, private location, and never share it with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.